Hello everyone. Today we are discussing the dig command, which is a domain information grouper. Why we use this to query DNS name servers for DNS lookup related tasks. So this is very important when it is comes to DNS related queries. So the basic command is dig redhat.com. So this is the server or the host which you want to get more information about. So once you do this, you will get the information about the header. So here's the header which we got. Then is the question which we have asked. So this is the query which we have done, the answer section, and basically there are other two more, which is the authority section and the additional section. And at the end, this is the statistics. So you don't see authority and additional section here. So in order to view that, I guess we can use dig soa.com. So here you can see the authority section as well. Uh, which is not being present in the previous one. So authority section will give us the name server which is responsible for that domain or zone. So an additional section will give the IP address of the name server. So these are the 5 sections which we can do. But if you don't want to view, for example, the question section, so you can just write dig. So I'll clear this first. So you can just write dig the name server, and if you don't want to view the question section, you can write no question. So with this, the question section will not be there. So you can see the answer section here as well. So if you don't want to view that, you can write no answer. So with that, even the answer section would be deleted. Now the point remains is the header. So you can write there for header it is no CMD, I guess, no comment. Yes, once you press no comment, even the comment section gets deleted. Now the only section which is left is the statistics at the end which you get. So if you write no stats, even the statistics will get deleted and you won't get anything at the output. So this is what is happening over here. So you don't see anything at the output. So instead of writing all the sections and not putting it at the output, you can just write no all. So with this, nothing will be displayed at the output. So if you want all of those details, you just have to replace no with no all with all. So all those details would be provided again. So all those details as in the header, the question, the answer section, and if there is any authority section, it will be provided along with the additional authority. So this is what the command does. Now the next important query which you can do over here is you can find the mail's MX records. So what does MX record basically do is it will help us to, it is actually used by mail servers to determine whether where to deliver a particular mail. So if we write dig redhat.com, so if you write -t max redhat.com plus no all, means you don't want to view all of those and you only want to view the answer section. So here you'll get the MX records. Now similarly you can find the NS records, which is the name server. Why we need NS record? It is because we have to find out which NS is authoritative for a particular domain or zone. So if you want to view that, you just have to replace MX with NS, which will provide us the name servers for that particular domain or zone. So this is the ones. Next is, if you want to view the dig output in a short answer, you just have to type dig redhat.com plus short, which will just give a single reply of the IP address for that particular name server. Now, if you want to have a reverse lookup, that is, if you want to see what is the name server for that particular IP address, you just have to type dig minus x, then the IP address, and then at the end you just have to add plus short. So with this you get the name server that is used for DNS reverse lookup. So that is all which we have for dig command here. If you want to know more about this, you can search online for the dig Linux man page, where you can find all those other query options which you can have. So that's all from my side. I hope you have understood the queries which we have discussed here. Thank you for listening.